to create a repository in GitHub. So once on your GitHub account and you are signed in, you locate for this button with a plus which says create new. You click the drop down and here you will see some list of new issues, new repository, import a repository and others. So what you just do, you just choose new repository. Once you have chosen a new repository, you'll come here and give it a name. So I'll give it a name like that. Then once the name is available, you can choose to upload the readme automatically or manually when you are in the project. So what you just do, you just press create, wait for GitHub to create, and now here you see the repository has been created. So once the repository has been created, now you go to the project you want to push, then you start the process of initializing the report, the repository, the project. You add the readme file manually, then you commit the readme, and then you branch to main or maybe use the master. Then you give the git remote of your project, and then you push the whole project. That's what you do when you want to create a new repository in GitHub.